What do you use to prepare for these events?
Yeah, certainly Storm Geo is, one of our most valuable tools. We, get a great unbiased forecast and report from the meteorologists. We try to shy away from local news stations. They try to sensationalize the weather and sell commercials. So the meteorologists do provide us with excellent reports and an unbiased opinion and site-specific forecasts. So that way we truly get a good understanding of our impact zone and what it would look like, after the weather event is over.